Assalamu alaikum, Dina.
وعليكم السلام مستر.
Alhamdulillah, how was your day? Good.
Fine, الحمد لله. Good,
Alhamdulillah.
الحمد لله.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, Dina. So I think we finished practicing the short sound. Okay, and we talk real example of our real life. That is, if you're going to move up or down or like inside the tunnel, so there will be extra sound. That sound going to change regard the distance you're taking. Okay. For example, and by the way, we call them haraka. Do you know why we call them haraka? Huh? Hello.
Again, please. Again, please.
So we call the short sound in Arabic haraka, right?
Yes.
Why do we call them like that? Huh? Any plans? Any ideas?
شورت حركة، فتحة، كسرة أو ضمة.
Okay, why we call them like that? I'm going to tell you. So names in Arabic has meaning. Names in Arabic has meaning. For example, in English, there will be no meaning for the names. If someone, for example, named like James does not have meaning. But if someone is, for example, Kareem has, like has a meaning, generous. Okay, so giving one. If someone's name is like Hassan means like good. Okay, so names has meaning. In Arabic, so haraka means moving or dynamic, being dynamic. Okay, haraka means moving. So the sound does move. The sound does move for a short period of time, for a short distance. For that reason, we call them haraka. Okay, haraka.
Yeah.
Today will be about, the long haraka, the big one. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So for that reason, we say mad. Mad means like, stretching or extension. The sound extended. Okay. So the short
Yes.
one becomes bigger. Okay. So if you have elastic or something, so you grab it like that. So the small one becomes bigger. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. For that reason, we call it haraka, like a small movement. The small movement becomes bigger, so it's extended. For that reason, we call it mad. Okay. So Arabic, mashallah, is very delicate and it's reasonable too. So you can ask why. You can ask why. Okay. And if you tell me, if you taught me why a small another question, really important. If you can tell me in English we don't have this. In English, uh we just have, that like, book, for example. Okay,
Yes.
or cat. So we don't have to say cat cat. We don't say key e. No, we just C like we just like K and that's it. B like B. We don't say ba ook. We don't say B ook or book. No, it's just about one sound. Why do you guys in Arabic do different sounds? Do you have an answer for that? Do you have like imagination for that?
Mm.
If you don't know, say I don't know.
No, I don't know.
Okay, nice. So now Arabic want to time everything. For example, if he want to make difference between the subject, between the object, and between the subject and object, and if it comes after a preposition, like inna Allah. Okay, so you understand which type of position. Like when you have a label, if you go, for example, in a bank, so you'll find labels, manager or reception, sales, right? Here,
Yes.
labels here, like over his like chest. You can
Yes.
go into the hospital, so you don't have to ask him what is your profession. So فتحة ضمة كسرة like that. فتحة ضمة
Yes.
كسرة like that. You can understand فاعل and مفعول. أو مجرور مكسور. so رجعت من المدرسة. So you understand this is going to be مجرور coming after a preposition. If it's فتحة ضرب أحمد محمدا, like that, so you understand. Okay, so to make difference between the parts of speech in Arabic. So today lesson will be about the Arabic Maad, the extension, which is the long sound. We call it the long sound. So now the car, we understand if this car moves for half kilo, okay, it's with the real distance. But in Arabic, we say it with haraka. So when you do like this, we call this is haraka, like beat, like this, 2 beats, which is 2 haraka. Okay, the short one, half kilo for half haraka, 2 kilos for 2 haraka. Okay, let's
Yeah.
present them. For example, صاد, so half haraka, like saw, this half haraka. If it's 2, saw, okay,
Yeah.
ba, like half haraka, ba, ta, tha, ja, half one. Okay, if it's 2, ba, understood?
Yes.
Okay, so now the card does, okay, so I need you right now to present, to start saying, I'm going to type the letter and you're going to produce the sound. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
Qaf. Present the all of them. Okay,
Yes.
going up or
Okay.
going down, going inside the tunnel with the short sound and the long sound. Qaf.
Okay. Qa.
Huh?
Qa.
Huh?
Qa.
Good. Huh,
Qi.
down. Hmm.
Qi. Qi.
Nice. Huh?
Qu.
Hmm.
Qu.
Good. Lamb.
Okay. La.
Nice.
Lam. La. Sorry. La. Lam.
Nice.
Li.
Hmm.
Li.
Good.
Lu. Lu.
Huh? Nice. Good. Can you go for Sheen?
Okay. Sha. Sha. She. She.
Nice.
Shu.
Hmm.
Shu.
Hmm. Good. Now, we need to practice them in real words. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Look, that is like, comparison between the letters does have a meaning, does have a short sound, and the same one with the long one. I'm going to do the first one, and your turn is to do the rest of the line. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
So قام قام قام. Okay. A small something I forgot to tell you. So if you have a word like this, you pronounce the consonant letter before the mat and the mat like 1 unit. For example, this ring in my hand is like 1 unit. They are, you cannot separate them, right? It's like
Yeah.
1 unit. You're dealing with them like 1 unit. It's like that. So you cannot separate between the mad letter and between the consonant letter. You say it like one. You say qamma, separated. Qaf is remarkable, and
Yeah.
meme is remarkable too. So, but qama, you take in like one piece. Qama, okay?
Yeah.
Nama, jala, like that. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, but which type of mad is that? Which type of mad? Which type of mad is that?
Mad alif.
Good, nice. Start with it. Huh? Say this line.
Yes. قام. قام.
Qamma,
قام.
nice.
عدا
No, not عدا.
عادة.
Not عدا. Not عدا. Okay. عدا. ع. Okay. So the short sound is not, very short like that.
yes
عدا. عدا.
عدا
No. عدا.
عدى
Yes. ع.
عادة
Good. Huh?
س سادة
No, not sada. This is, sadda. Sadda.
سدة
Hmm.
سادة
Good. Huh?
ملا
Not mala. Mala, there will be alif after lam.
yes
Say
م-
mala. Good.
ملا
Mala. Huh?
ملا
Hmm.
مالا
Good. Really good, mashallah. Now we go in. So fatha is a part of alif. Okay. And now we go in with the second one, which is what? Which is what? Yes. Yeah. So yeah is a part of. So kasra is a part of.
yeah مد
Yes. So
مدي
we consider the kasra.
مد
Yes.
مدي
Yes. We consider the kasra is like a small part of the mad. Okay. We consider the fatha is a small part of mad with alif. Kasra, small part of yeah. It's the same sound but like short. Understood?
yeah
Nice.
yes
Okay. So I'm going to do that. Okay. قلة. قيلة. The same way. You pronounce qaf with which is the consonant letter with the mad letter like one piece. قيلة like that. Can you start?
yes قيل
Hmm.
قيل
قيلة. Two piece. قيلة like that.
قيل
Nice.
شيدة
Look. So now you said shida. Shida. Da. It means there is alif after that. She, da, shida, like that.
شدة
Good. Hmm.
شيدة
Shida. Make it two beats. You can use your fingers.
yeah
Me too. If
yeah
I'm praying Imam in Masjid, so I've start counting in my finger like this. ولا الضالين to make sure it's just six. Okay, no more, no less. ها
yes
ريحة.
ريحة
اه
ريحة
good.
ريحة
Good.
غبة غيبة
Nice, mashallah. So the last part of bed is going to be hmm, wow.
مدوى yeah
Bad wow. Okay, we have dhamma. Okay, we have dhamma.
yes
So
yeah
dhamma is like what? Is like wow. Even in the shape. Okay, even in the shape. Can you see it?
yes
Even in the shape. Nice. So I'm going to say the first one, Like sumi, like that. Sumi, 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 Sumi. Nice.
yes
And by the way, they are different in the meaning. Okay. So they are different in the meaning. Yes.
سمي
Hmm.
صومي
Good.
صومي
MashaAllah.
قولي قولي قولي
Nice.
كوني
Hmm.
كوني
Nice. The second line.
بوحي
Hmm.
بوحي
Nice.
عودي
Hmm.
عودي
MashaAllah.
تبي
Hmm.
توبي
Good. Really good, mashallah. Really good. Jazakumullah khairan for your reading. Inshallah, in the next video, there will be no movement at all. Okay? There will
yeah
be no
yeah
movement at all. Okay? See you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام